Good day everyone. Today we're gonna talk about annuity. No? Okay. So annuity is a sequence of payments made at equal or fixed intervals or periods of time. So the following are examples of annuities. So yung annuity daw is actually lagi natin tong nai-encounter, no? So eto yung pagbabayad mo ng paghuhulog-hulog mo. For example, nangutang ka, so nagbabayad ka, no? Or kumuha ka ng sasakyan, so nagbabayad ka, pwedeng monthly, yearly, ganon. Okay? So examples is rental payment, no? Kumuha ka ng uupahan. Another example is monthly pensions. For example, sa pag-ibig, no? So, yung sa pag-ibig is nagsisave ka or nagdi-deposit ka para in the future is may ma-receive kang pera. Pwede kang maghulog ng 1,000 monthly or pwede din isang bagsakan lang like 12,000 in a year, no? So, yun ay isang example ng annuity. Monthly payment for car loan. So, eto na nga, yung example ko kanina. For example, kumuha ka ng sasakyan, so huhulog-hulugan mo yon with fixed interval. Educational plan. So, also to sa ibang countries, no? Kahit dito, meron din naman dito sa Pilipinas, no? So, yon. Okay, so we have two types of annuity. The simple annuity and the general annuity. So, kapag sinabi nating simple annuity, the payment interval is also the same as the interest period. Yung pagbabayad mo, no, is the same sa conversion period natin or sa M, sa formula natin. While general annuity naman, it refers to an annuity where the length of the payment interval is not the same as the length of the interest compounding period. So, let's have some examples para mas malinaw sa atin. Okay, so example 1, suppose Mrs. Remoto likes to save 3,000 every month for 6 years in a fund that gives 9% compounded monthly. So, ang tanong dito is kung itong example 1 ba ay kung simple interest or simple annuity or general annuity. Kung babasahin natin yung problem, no? Si Mrs. Remoto ay nagbabayad every month, no? So, every month siya nagbabayad. Tapos, yung compounding period natin is, ang sabi dito, compounded monthly, no? So, eto siya. So, therefore, same sila. Every month ka nagbabayad, tapos, yung conversion period natin is monthly din, no? Eto. So, since the payment interval and the interest period are the same, example 1 illustrates a simple annuity, no? Okay, let's have another example. Example 2, Chris started to deposit 1,000 monthly in a fund that pays 6% compounded quarterly for 15 years. So, sa example 2 naman, si Chris ay nagbabayad monthly. So, yung payment interval niya is monthly. And the compounding period niya is quarterly. So, as you can see, they are not the same. No? Thus, this example 2 is a general annuity. Example 3. A teacher plans to save 5,000 every 6 months for 10 years in a bank that pays 0.25% compounded monthly. Sa example 3 naman, kailan siya nagbabayad? Every 6 months, no? So, every 6 months, ibig sabihin nun, sa isang taon, twice lang siyang nagbayad. Hindi siya monthly nagbabayad. So, yun. At yung compounding period natin ay compounded monthly. So, yung interest niya ay tumutubo, or yung interest niya ay nagbabayad ng monthly. So, yung payment interval is 6 months. Tapos, yung conversion period natin is monthly. So, hindi sila the same. So, example 3 is an example of general annuity. Next. Example 4. In order to save for her high school graduation, Marie decided to save 2,000 at the end of each quarter. The bank pays 0.50% compounded quarterly. Ang itatanong mo dito, kailan nagbabayad si Marie? Okay, at the end of each quarter. Ibig sabihin, every 3 months siya nagbabayad. Sa isang taon, 4 times siya nagbabayad. So, yung conversion period natin, ang sabi dito, compounded quarterly din. Okay, so the same sila. Okay, at dahil the same sila, dahil yung payment interval is the same as in the conversion period, so example 4 is a simple annuity. Okay, so I hope you've learned something. If you have queries, just ask me. And I want you to try this, no? Para malaman natin kung na-master nyo yung lesson. Okay, so yung instruction is illustrate and distinguish whether it is a simple annuity or general annuity. So we have 1, 2, 5. Okay, so just comment your answer in the comment section. And if you have queries, just message me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. That's all.